Hello to all. My name is Samiksha Godalkar. I am assistant professor in SND College of Engineering, Yeola. I was taught the subject of basic electronics. Today, the topic of video lecture is sensor technologies. The phase linearity is describe how well a system preserves the phase relationship between frequency components of the input. Phase linearity phi is equal to kf. Distortion of a signal, amplitude linearity, phase linearity. Sensor technology terminology or transducer is a device which transforms energy from one type to other even if both energy types are in the same domain. Typical energy domains are mechanical, electrical, chemical, magnetic, optical, and thermal. Transducer can be further divided into sensors which monitors a system and actuators which imposes an action on the system. Sensors are devices which monitor a parameter of a system, hopefully without disturbing that parameter. Categorization of sensor, classification based on physical phenomena. Mechanical classification is strain gauge, displacement, LVDT, velocity laser, accelerometer, tiltmeter, viscometer, pressure, etc. Thermal and thermocouple. Optical sensor are camera, infrared sensor. Others, classification based on measuring mechanism, resistance sensing, capacitance sensing, inductance sensing, piezoelectricity. Materials capable of converting of one form of energy to another are at the heart of many sensors. Invention of new materials, example smart materials, would permit the design of the new type of sensors. The sensing paradigm of sensing system design is as shown in figure. The sensor type, sensor density, sensor location, communications, network architecture, utilization, simulation, validation, correction, parameter estimation, data processing, experiment. The sensing system, health monitoring and system identification is as shown in paradigm of sensing system design. Next is instrumentation considerations, sensor technology, sensor data collection topologies, data communication, power supply, data synchronization, environmental parameters and influence, remote data analysis, measurement, physical phenomena is given to the input of sensor system. Output of sensor system is measurement output. Measurement output interaction between a sensor and the environment surrounding the sensor, compound response of multiple inputs, measurements errors, system errors, imperfect design of the measurement setup and the approximation can be corrected by calibration, random errors, variations due to uncontrolled variables can be reduced by averaging. Sensors definition, a device for sensing a physical variable of a physical system or an environment. The classification of sensors are mechanical quantities, displacement, strain, rotation, velocity, acceleration, pressure, force, twisting, weight, flow, thermal quantities, temperature, heat, electromagnetic or optical quantities, voltage, current, frequency, phase, visual or images, light, magnetism, chemical quantities are moisture, pH value, specification of a sensor are accuracy, resolution, sensitivity, repeatability. Firstly, we see first specification sensor accuracy, error between the result of a measurement and the true value being measured. Resolution, the smallest increment of measure that a device can make. Sensitivity, the ratio between the change in the output signal to a small change in input physical signal. Slope of the input output fit line. Repeatability or precision, the ability of the sensor to output the same value for the same input over a number of trials. Accuracy versus resolution, the accuracy versus precision. Precision without accuracy, bias, then accuracy without precision, precision and accuracy. Specification of a sensor, dynamic range, the ratio of the maximum recordable input amplitude to minimum input amplitude, dr 220 log dB, linearity, the deviation of the output from a best fit straight line for a given range of the sensor, transfer function, the relationship between the physical input signal and the electrical output signal, which may constitute a complete description of the sensor characteristics, bandwidth, the frequency range between the lower and upper cutoff frequencies within which the sensor transfer function is constant, gain or linear, noise, random fluctuation. हाँ सर, the transfer function, frequency response, the relationship between physical input signal and electrical output signal, which may constitute a complete description of a sensor characteristics, bandwidth, the frequency range between the lower and upper cutoff frequencies within which the sensor transfer function is constant, gain or linear, noise, the random fluctuation in the value of input that causes random fluctuation in the output value. Attributes of sensors, operating principle, embedded technologies that make sensors function such as electro-optics, electromagnetic, piezoelectricity, active and passive ultraviolet, dimension of variables, the number of dimensions of physical variables, size, the physical volume of sensors, data format, the measuring feature of data in time, continuous or discrete, analog or digital, intelligence, the capabilities of onboard data processing and decision making, active versus passive sensors, capability of generating versus just receivable signals, physical contact, the way sensors observe the disturbance in environment, environmental durability, will the sensor robust enough for its operation conditions, strain gauges, foil strain gauge, vibration wire strain gauge, and third is fiber optic gauge. In foil strain gauge, the strain gauge having a application is advantages is least expensive, widely used, not suitable for long distance, electromagnetic interference, sensitive to moisture and humidity, vibration wire strain gauge having a determined strain from frequency of AC signal, fiber optic gauge is immune to EM and electrostatic noise, compact size, height, cost, fragile. After that, strain sensing, resistive foil strain gauge, technology well developed, is low cost, high response speed, and broad frequency bandwidth. A wide assortment of foil strain gauges commercially available, subject to electromagnetic noise, interference, offset drift in signal, long-term performance of adhesive used for bonding strain gauges is questionable. Vibrating wire strain gauges cannot be used for dynamic application because of their low response speed. Optical fiber strain sensor. In strain sensing, the strain sensor, piezoelectric ceramic based or piezoelectric polymer based, example PVDF, very high resolution. Third is excellent performance in ultrasonic frequency range, very high frequency bandwidth, therefore very popular in ultrasonic applications such as measuring signals due to surface wave propagation. When used for measuring plane strain, cannot distinguish the strain in xy direction. Piezoelectric ceramic is a brittle material, cannot measure large deformation. The, the acceleration sensing, piezoelectric accelerometer, non-zero lower cutoff frequency 0.1 to 1 Hz for 5%, light compact size miniature accelerometer weighing 0.7 G available. Measurement range up to plus or minus 500 G, less expensive than capacitive accelerometer, sensitivity typically from 5 to 100 millivolt, broad frequency bandwidth is typically 0.2 to 5 kHz, operating temperature is minus 70 to 150 degrees Celsius. The accelerometer plot is as shown in diagram. The next is force sensing. The next sensor type force sensing is shown in we see in next video lecture. Thank you.